County ma Migori kar kanyo kamaido kanyo ni skunde moko e county ma Migori oyudo kwan manok mag jopuonjre madonjo e grade abirio kaluwore kod jopuonj kod weg sikunde. Gilero ni jonyuol mang'eny e county ma Migori poko yango chenro manyien mar somo mar CBC ka giywak ni ting'ne pek. E skul primar mar Rosel e boma ma Migori onge japuonjre moramora mane ochopo ka skul mar Goldfield kod Dolish kwan matin mag jopuonjre emane ochopo. Jopuonj go bende koro lero ni gin gi yie gi chenro no mar somo mar CBC, kata kamano gikwayo piny owacho mondo med keto maino mare ma ok gitero chenro no piyo piyo.
We were expecting the students of grade 7 junior secondary school to join us today, but up to now, none has reported. So I personally feel that they were given a very short notice. Their results were out last week, and they were expected to report on 30th. They're just given one day. For example, if we compare with the KCPE results, they were out quite early, and the parents are given adequate time for preparation because they are reporting on 6th. These are the same parents who are also preparing to take their children for secondary school.
In fact, they were facing so many challenges. One, they were complaining of school uniform to be a bit expensive to them because the ones that they had are still new. So they were complaining the uniform is a bit expensive to them. School fees, of which in St. Lawrence we've really tried to maintain the government school fees. So far the government introduced 15, as well as in St. Lawrence we also just charge them 15 per year.
So far so good, I can say. But most importantly, perhaps, is the fact that they must be distinguished. So we have a separate set of uniforms, totally different from the primary section, so that the learners can have a feel of what it is like to be in the junior secondary school.